RG. So today I will show you how web defacement works live practically. So I created a vulnerable site in VS Code with the help of ChatGPT, which is vulnerable to XSS, and ran it on a live local server. So this is our vulnerable site, which I coded to be vulnerable for cross-site scripting. And here we will inject our payload like this. And it reflects, so it is called a reflected XSS. So now I will inject some other code so you can see how it works. And now I have a defacement script with me. I will tell you where you can get it later. Now I copied the script and I will paste it in there and see the magic. So the complete UI of web page changed. So this is what web defacement is and reflected XSS. It's all a part of web penetration or website hacking. And now for the script, I built a tool using AI to learn XSS. Here you can see XSS payloads and practice on a vulnerable sites. And I will give this website link in comments or description. And here we have a defacement templates. You can modify in your name and preview each template. Copy template, it will copy the entire script.